Finding Serenity, a guided journey to anxiety relief. Welcome to our channel. We're so glad you're here. On this channel, we explore ways to nurture your mind, body, and soul. In today's video, we'll guide you through practical methods to find calm and manage anxiety in a busy world. Let's dive in. Welcome to this journey of finding calm and managing anxiety. In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety have become common companions for many. But the good news is, there are effective ways to take control of your mind and create inner peace. Let's explore a guided method that blends mindfulness, breathing techniques, and cognitive strategies to help you find relief from anxiety. Understanding anxiety. Before we dive into the techniques, let's briefly understand what anxiety is. Anxiety is your body's natural response to stress, characterized by feelings of fear, worry, or unease. It's a survival mechanism meant to keep you safe. However, when anxiety becomes chronic or overwhelming, it can impact your mental and physical well-being. Recognizing the symptoms of anxiety is the first step. These may include restlessness or a sense of impending doom, rapid heartbeat or difficulty breathing, trouble concentrating or overthinking, muscle tension or fatigue. By acknowledging these feelings, you're already taking a step toward managing them. Step 1. Breathing techniques. One of the quickest ways to calm your mind is through intentional breathing. Here's a simple method. Find a quiet space. Sit or lie down comfortably in a quiet area. 2. Take a deep breath in. Breathe in slowly through your nose for a count of 4. Focus on the sensation of the air filling your lungs. 3. Hold your breath. Gently hold your breath for a count of 4. 4. Exhale slowly. Breathe out through your mouth for a count of 6. Imagine you're releasing stress and tension with each breath. Repeat this cycle for about 5 minutes. You'll notice a sense of calm and control returning to your body. This technique works because it activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps your body relax. Step 2. Grounding exercises. When anxiety pulls you into a whirlwind of thoughts, grounding exercises can anchor you in the present moment. Try this Wu, Sis. Acknowledge 5 things you see. Look around and identify 5 things in your environment. They can be as simple as a cup, a tree, or a book. 2. Touch for things. Notice the texture of 4 things you can touch. It could be the softness of your shirt, the smooth surface of a table, or the coolness of a glass. 3. Listen to 3 sounds. Pay attention to 3 distinct sounds around you. Maybe it's the hum of a fan, birds chirping, or distant chatter. 4. Identify 2 smells. If you can't identify any, consider smelling something nearby, like coffee or a scented candle. 5. Acknowledge 1 taste. Pay attention to any lingering taste in your mouth, or take a small sip of water or tea. This exercise redirects your attention away from anxious thoughts and roots you in the present. Step 3. Positive self-talk. Anxiety often comes with negative self-talk. Statements like, "I'll never get through this," or "I'm not good enough," fuel anxiety. Replacing these with positive affirmations can help. Here's how. Acknowledge your feelings without judgment. Instead of saying, "Why am I so anxious?" try, "It's okay to feel this way. I am safe." Repeat calming affirmations such as, "I am in control of my thoughts. This feeling is temporary and it will pass. I am capable of handling this situation." Write these affirmations on sticky notes and place them where you can see them daily, like your mirror or desk. Step 4. Visualization technique. Visualization is a powerful tool for reducing anxiety. Here's a guided visualization exercise you can try. 1. Close your eyes. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. 2. Picture a safe place. Imagine a place where you feel completely at ease. It could be a serene beach. 3. Engage your senses. Visualize every detail of this place. Hear the sounds. Feel the textures. For example, Imagine the gentle sound of waves or the warmth of the sun on your skin. 4. Stay in the moment. Spend a few minutes fully immersed in this safe place. Let the calmness of this environment seep into your mind. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and bring that sense of peace back with you. Step 5. Physical movement. Movement can help release tension and reduce anxiety. It doesn't have to be intense. Even a gentle walk or stretching session can work wonders. Stretching. Spend 5 minutes stretching your arms, neck, and shoulders. These areas often hold tension when you're anxious. Walking, a 10-minute walk in nature, can provide a double benefit of exercise and exposure to calming natural surroundings. Yoga. Simple yoga poses like child's pose or downward dog can relax your body and mind. Step 6. Gratitude practice. Anxiety can make you focus on what's wrong. Shifting your attention to what you're grateful for can change your perspective. At the end of each day, write down 3 things you're thankful for. These can be as small as enjoying a cup of coffee or as significant as receiving support from a friend. Consistency is key. Managing anxiety is not a one-time event. It's about building habits and practicing these techniques regularly. Dedicate at least 10 to 15 minutes daily to one or more of these methods. Over time, you'll find it easier to calm your mind and navigate life's challenges. Closing thoughts. Anxiety doesn't have to control your life. By using these guided methods, you can reclaim your peace and confidence. Remember, it's okay to seek professional help if you need it. Therapy and counseling can provide additional tools and support on your journey. Take the first step today. Choose one method from this guide and set aside a few minutes to practice it. Over time, these small actions can lead to profound changes in how you feel and respond to stress. Believe in your ability to create calm and take control of your mind. Keep practicing, and may you find the calm you deserve. Thank you for watching this video and for taking the time to focus on your well-being. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your favorite technique or how this video helped you in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more content like this and tap the bell icon to stay updated. We look forward to welcoming you back for our next video on wellness. We look forward to seeing you again soon.